Need a van, call your vans.
Today we're going to show you how to connect your smartphone device up to the Bluetooth on the new Citroen Berlingo 2019 model. It's really straightforward and simple. First off, you're going to click this phone button on the right and it's going to bring you to this display screen here. You'll have four options there: Bluetooth search, Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink and Android Auto. You can actually use Apple CarPlay once you have connected your phone up until the Berlingo. So I'm going to click on Bluetooth search here and it's going to search for a device. While it's searching for a device, if you grab your handset, whether it's an Android or Apple iPhone, it should pop up at the bottom while it's searching there. So we'll give that a couple of minutes to continue the search. It's a really great feature, the Bluetooth function on the Berlingo, because you can take your calls when you go, bring the office with you. Perfect, so our device has come up there. We're going to click RJ phone, so we've clicked the phone here, and it should pop up on our Bluetooth device. So as we can see there, it's popped up, Bluetooth pairing request. We're going to click pair on the phone, we're going to click yes on the actual Berlingo itself, and we're going to allow the sync of contacts, and it's that simple and straightforward. So it should show then as connected on the phone, and as you can see, it is connected on the Citroen. And now you can make calls from your Citroen, you can see your recent calls, you can see your contacts.
Need a van, call Pure Vans.